Welcome guys, I hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your system settings and resolve lots of problem. Type in search bar system restore and click on open, create restoring point. System property is open. Navigate to system restore option and click on it. Restore file and setting is open. I have a two option, recommended restore and choose a different restore point. Let's go with choose a different restore point. Restore point is open. You can see reflecting 2 point. If you have a more option, click show more restore point. After click, you can see many option. To have a restore previous date, you can click on it, on date, and next, and finish. Process restart. Wait for complete process. After completing the process, system will be restart. System restart successfully. Thanks for watching.